Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is about how to set up an outlet to work with a pump and a float. This is a switch float. This is a switch, that's what controls the level of the water. And also that's when it's like this, the water stop, the pump stop. When it's like that, the pump start. Okay. I'm gonna set up this float on the way together with an outlet box, so therefore you plug the wire directly to the outlet box. Now this is what I have. I have this thing here. This is the box. It says metal. It's metal. I was looking for plastic ones, but I got the metal one. Okay. I have this guy here. Okay. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna have this thing like this. The ground is here, and the wire, what you call this thing? The line is here, and the neutral is here, guys. Okay, that's what I'm gonna have, and then I'm gonna bring wire to I'm gonna bring power to this box. This thing gonna be right there, and I'm gonna have a cover for it. This is a cover, and those three things cost me, guys, $11 at Home Depot. Okay, so let's get at it, guys. This is the box. This is the little instruction that come with it, and this is couple things to screws in there. Okay, so I think you can draw a hole here, draw a hole there that goes to the wall if you put it this way. So this thing gonna be sitting right in there, guys. Okay, it's gonna be sitting right in there. Now before I sit in there, I'm gonna put the wires in. I'm gonna put this thing in there. Mine gonna be like this. Okay. There's a plastic inside there. Okay, guys, let me try to make sure you understand this. This is the ground. This is the wire for the ground. This is the neutral. This is where you plug the wire for the neutral. And this is the wire, folks. This is, remember what I said to you. My power line gonna be like this. Okay, that's what it's going to be. So another way is, I'm gonna start with the power line. That's the line. Okay, guys, that's the line. So the way to do it, there's a couple of holes on the bottom there, guys. There's a couple of holes. Gotta make sure this thing is flat. This is my power line, which is my black wire. I'm gonna stick it in there, guys. It's right there. That's my black wire. It's happened I don't have any black wire to show you, but that's what we're gonna do here, guys. Okay, folks, I just cannot. This is tight. It's right there. You can see the thing inside of it. It's just locked. If you're gonna carry this wire somewhere else, we can put it in here. The other wire. Now this is where my black coming from. This is my black wire, guys. It's coming from this cord that I have. I'm gonna plug it in to see how the outlet works. Okay. So now this is my white wire. My white wire is going straight to the pump, to the blue wire of the pump. So you see, my black wire, my white wire from the outlet, which is supposed to be here. Okay, you got it? So I already have my black wire, which is going in here. So basically, this is the way it works, guys. The wire for my white wire is going to the blue wire, to the pump. The pump has three wires, a brown, a blue, and a black. You see it? Brown, blue, and black. For this purpose, the way we're gonna have the pump going like this, going like that, like this to start, like that to turn off, you gotta use the blue wire from the pump and the black wire from the pump. Okay, so now when you use the blue wire from the pump coming from the power, now we're gonna get the black wire is coming here. Okay, is coming here, which is at the neutral. Okay, folks, it is that simple. Guys, I already got the black wire, which is a red here, from the power line. That's the line goes in there. Now I'm gonna plug the other one. That's coming from the pump. Remember the pump has 3 wires. Okay. Now I put the black wire here. This happens to be black. Okay, guys, I put this thing in here and screw it in there. We should be fine. Okay, first, basically this thing works. Okay. Now I show it clearly. This is as good as you get. Now I'm gonna put it inside this box and put all the wires inside and plug this thing on the outlet and show you this thing works. That's all I gotta show you. This thing works on the outlet here. It is that simple, guys. Okay. If you have any question, don't forget to email me or text me, guys. Okay, folks, safety first. Don't try to test this thing like this unless you know what you're doing. Always wear gloves. Okay. You see this wire, this thing right there? There's live wire in there. This thing, there's live. If you touch those things together, you'll be executed. So don't do that. Don't touch it like that. Put it in the box the right way and you get it done properly. Okay? So I just wanted to make sure everything works. So I already know it's working. Okay? Do not try this thing the way it is. You see? There's no, this is how this thing gonna be. Make sure this thing is off. Okay, folks, I put all the wires in. Everything's well secured. I'm gonna put the top in there. Okay, this thing gonna be just like that, guys. I'm gonna tie this thing up. See how it is? All the wires in there, perfectly done. That's it, folks. Okay, folks, basically you wire the outlet and the pump. Nothing, and the outlet and the float. The outlet, this is start, this is turn off. Let's go plug it in, guys. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, we're gonna bring the power in first and then we're going to plug the pump. Okay, folks, this is my outlet. Okay, this is where I plug it in. This is the power. We're gonna bring the outlet in. This is my outlet for the pump. Okay, now if I was outside, I'm gonna put it on the box like that in the corner there, guys. Next to this outlet, I can get wire from there. Now this is my outlet. And this is my float. Only the float is plugged in there. See? This is the wire for the pump. This is the wire for the pump, guys. Not plugged in yet. See? This is the wire for the pump. This is wire. Now I'm gonna make sure my float is on off position. This is off position of my float. This thing gotta be off. It's on off position. Make sure it's on off position. I'm gonna plug my pump. My pump gotta make noise, okay? Let me go ahead and plug the pump. Okay, folks, this thing is coming off. Now, let's plug this thing, guys. Okay, plug it in. Now, this is the float, guys. This is the float. Right now, it's in off position. Let me turn it on if this pump will make noise. This is the pump, guys. This is the pump. Let's bring this in close to the pump. You see? It's turned on. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off. The reason the pump is not running because it's broken. Okay, it's not warm. It just messed up because I was running without water for at least 5 seconds. I have in the video. It's broken in the video. Off position, on position. Okay. Okay. So the pump is working, everything's working fine, guys. So my outlet works. It's a simple ways to do the outlet, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel tremendously.